Hey guys, I really want to show the lights, but yeah, I really enjoyed them, but probably to the main point. Actually, this video would be about a little more about tips, what probably you need when you move in houses. I find useful for myself, maybe you find them too, maybe you already know all of them, maybe not, but yeah, for me it was a game changer and it's really helped me. At least I can remind myself what was helpful. Yeah, welcome. Always start with small win. So, you know, when sometimes you have the easy task you can do and you can start with this, and then in the beginning of your day you already would be like, yeah, I did it, already one done, one check. Particularly in my case, I decided to order something what I already need. So it would be quick win, and I do something useful for myself, unless in the end of the day I haven't done anything. I already ordered something, so yeah, already one task done. Yeah, beginning with something small. So the next one was something cute or inspiring. What I mean by this, it's just, yeah, I just prefer wearing something like this. I like it and it's so comfy, and I feel, yeah, if I meet people outside on the street, I still will look okay, not like home or lazy day kind of stuff. And yeah, next one, just start with the documents, because you always will need them and you just like need to sort it out. Never ever throw any documents, what you mean, like passport or really important to you, to your day-to-day, and as well any like hospital documents, please never throw them away. At least then you can return. Oh, actually 5 years later I had this like flaws in my teeth or whatever, I don't know, or for example some broken elbow, and you will know when it's happened, how broken it was, because you have this document. If you don't have, you just like completely forgot. Things are forgotten nowadays. So as I don't intend to show you any kind of documents, that's why I will hide them. How I separate or do my magic during sorting out the documents. Here I put some mess what I intend to throw away. It's just like non-recyclable, it's paper, so it's going to paper. There are some other documents. All of these documents I sorted out, not alphabetical but by like whom it relate to, mostly to myself, and as well I put them in data order. And afterwards I will put in a file where, like in a file folder, and for each day, for example, here it's May 2012, and here it would be May 2020, and here it would be May 2024. Yeah, whatever, you understand the logic. And then I will store them in files, in folders, files, folders, whatever, rather than like this paper, because it's easy to forget about. Yeah. Also I separated books, so which is actually never throw away books, but you can also donate them or put in charities. And also don't forget the documents, it's the main part of your life. Without them you can't prove your identity. And another break for water, please don't forget, use your water and drink as much as you need during the day. Just make sure that you always have power bank charged, as long with needed cables for all your electronic device, because you never know when they will be run out of power. So first pack things that you're not gonna use in the time you're moving. So we're moving in a couple of months, actually in a couple of weeks but yeah, I probably not gonna use swimming suit, that's why I'm packing it. These just simple bags, trash bags, whatever you can say about them. You don't need fancy bags to move your stuff from one place to another one. As you can see, here I have a lot of bags which I can reuse. I never throw them away. That's why I just use trash bag or just use bags. So to show you the result, it's almost everything packed. So with bags, and it's easily to hold and just put it in a car, rather than you need to pack it and in rush and like putting things somewhere. All of this, it's just like on handles. I prefer putting like using the handles without taking the clothes out, then it's easier unpacked and so on. All of this is just like winter clothes which I'm not gonna use in any case or sooner, that's why it can wait. And yeah, this is its results. It looks much more like it's ready to move in, rather than oh, there are some stuff need to do to this. Just pack your belongings and put in one place just to see the volume that you need to transportate then. Don't forget about food. We need eat to live or live to eat, whatever your philosophy is. So I kind of done with all of this place. That's why I can keep it close and also clean. There are nothing to show. And the next one, important tips: keeping all boxes, just all boxes. About keeping all boxes, and here all our boxes, we never throw away any boxes. It's for monitor, it's for actually for computer, you know, when you collect all your computer, it's just going in box, all of stuff. And this is for one of these, I hope. Maybe not, but whatever, who cares. Another thing that's also need to keep is like box from all your shoes. Yeah, why not? Because yeah, it's easy to transport after that. All of this is boxes from shoes, and as you can see here, everything already packed. And this is what I did for the summer. Yeah, actually kind of nice, crocheting stuff. Maybe you need a tutorial for this. Leave me a comment if so. If not, just forgot about it. Just remember, even the small things take time. It takes time to remove fairy lights from the wall. That's why do these things whenever you have time, maybe 5 minutes break, maybe in the evening. It will save your time later. That's why do these small things are better than do nothing. During this packing process, you will notice a lot of things which are no longer needed, or you don't want to carry out them in your new place. How to identify them and what you can do with them. First of all, what you can do with them: throw them away, sell if they're sellable, or donate. How to identify these things? First of all, if this thing is upset you, just throw it away immediately. The second one, even if you're considering, I can keep it for maybe 1 more year and then reconsider it what I can do with it, it's still you spending your time to do this. That's why maybe throw it away now, or donate, or sell, or whatever you want. Second one, if someone will, just imagine situation if this thing is not sellable, and just imagine if someone will propose you some amount of price, let's say £100 for this thing, will you sell it? If yes, then you can read out of it, you no longer need it because you can sell it for some amount of price. In this case, just don't clutter you with things you no longer need it. And I'm ready to go to donate some books and things. Just buy mattress cover for moving. If you need to move your bed with mattress, it's really the best thing you can buy. So just mattress cover for moving. You can Google it, you can ask in a store, whatever. but please buy it. Don't do my mistake. Previously I wrapped my mattress in clean film or in foot wrap. It took ages. Don't do my mistakes. Another important thing is do your grocery, but don't buy a lot of stuff, because you will move in a couple of days and probably you need to refreeze your freezer if it's yours and you will carry out in a new place. It still needs to be turned off for a couple of days. That's why probably use what's already inside if you have something prepared ahead, rather than buying some stuff. Clean the cleaning tools before using them. It's probably don't need the full cleaning, but in my case vacuum was really dirty. That's why I decided to do really deep cleaning. A little tight, need another break, so I intend to do some crocheting kind of stuff and take some rest and watching something on YouTube maybe. Yeah, and see you after that. Maybe also just to mention, please don't judge you if you plan to do all of the stuff like this and haven't done anything in the end. It's still okay, it's life, and sometimes we need to do something else. We need just chill, relax, and then we would be more productive. Actually, during my crocheting time, I almost finished this lovely cardigan. Yeah, it's sleeves which haven't attached yet, and it's quite long cardigan. As you can see, it's nearly ending near my foot. So yeah, some kind of cute. And here it's almost all tips I want to share today with you. If you come in so far, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, I really appreciate your time you're spending on these silly videos. But yeah, thank you very much, and I hope you find it useful. If so, leave a comment, or maybe you have something to share and you have your own tips which maybe can help me moving, because I'm moving in a couple of days and I would like to hear some advice if so. And yeah, bye, see you in the next video.